Hey, how's it going, everybody? I have a ACER switch 12, I believe. Nope, switch 5. It looks like the Surface Pro here. I'm having some issues with the SSD inside. It's pretty much dead. So I'm gonna try to figure out how I can pop this thing open. I have never opened up one of these guys before, but you know, normally with a laptop it's very easy to get that changed, but I saw some videos that you have to kind of pry this thing open. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can open this thing up. So it's learning in progress. So it looks like there's a little gap here. So okay, there it is. Alright, come on. Okay. Can't do it too hard because otherwise I would crack the screen. And that defeats the purpose of getting that repair, right? Oh, good. Okay. Oh no, what is this? It looks like a small little hinge broke. Hopefully I can snap it back. So I gotta be gentle, make sure there's the wires. Oh, there's quite a few wires. There's one on this side, and I don't know if you can see it. There's one below it. So I'm gonna need to get this thing off. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Let me see. This thing is... Oh, okay. This thing just snaps on here. There's one more here. So... Oh, crap. Look at all these. I hope I can snap this thing back in one piece. My goodness. So, this thing... Just push this in, pull it out. Alright, so I got this thing removed. I was looking at some of the videos, and it's a different model. I believe the SSD is under here, this hot sink. Heat sink, not hot sink. All right. There we go. Just lift it up. And this is the drive. Is there a screw mount? Yes, there is. And there it is. I need to get a new one, replace that, and we'll come back to finish this up tomorrow. I just picked up this SanDisk from Best Buy. One and only one left. This is 1 terabyte for what's the price? What was it going for? $94, $95 plus tax, which is not bad. Everything else was going for almost like $130, so not bad. And here it is. I also picked up a, what do you call this thing? This thing is to sit on top of the CPU right here, so keep the heat away. I asked them to see if they can give me some. They said no, you have to pay for it. That's $8 something. My God. All right, well, let me throw this in and see if it's gonna work. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Now let's get this thing back on. goodness. Got a little crack on the screen here. Oh my God. Hopefully it still works. Okay, well, that is the system fully back assembled. Now it's a matter of turning it on. So let's see if it's gonna work. All right, let's see. SanDisk, okay. It sees it. Here's my recovery. All right, we'll see if this is gonna work. Looks like we're making progress now. Windows is actually installing. So that's good. Gonna give it a little more time. Okay, so we're almost at the end of the installation here. It's getting ready to finish up with the Windows installation. So this is looking good. So that's all I got for the video. I hope you figure out how to fix your computer, as well as, you know, you can replace the hard drive. Also replace the battery if you ever need to. That's all for the video I got. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give me a like. Thank you. Have a good one. And you can subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.